Jacob's doing homeschool, I let him usually just be wherever he wants to be and be comfortable so he gets the work done. What do you see, Precious? What do you see? Lucky's watching too. Yeah, there's a lot of trees out there. You feel like you're outside? What are you doing? Mm-hmm. Do you see Coco? What in the world? I'm trying to get him to learn 1, 2, 3, but it's not working so well. There you go. Turn this way, Jacob, so I can see him. There you go. I see you, Precious. Yeah.
Okay, you want to talk to your friend? That's okay. I'll just do my schoolwork.
So Jacob is back online doing his schoolwork.
Look at his ear.
Oh, Lucky, what's going on with that ear, huh? What's going on with that ear? Jacob's going to help you. There you go. Jacob is the best. Okay, back to school work we go. I'm trying. I don't know why she's flying. He is flying all over the place. I guess because he's a bird, right? Yeah. You had a good sleep, didn't you? You slept all night. Yeah. All right, Jacob's going to get back to his online. We've had a lot of interruptions this morning, but that's okay. Precious likes to be on the fan, back and forth.
I think it's because it's like ASMR.
Could be.
ASMR, I mean. No, you can't go for my Fanta. Hi. Hi. Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I know you got a lot to say to Jacob this morning. What in the world? All our pets are rescue pets.
Crazy enough, Precious's foot is now healing from whatever in the world happened before we got her. So now she's opening it even more than she used to.
Good. That's good.
Precious is a sweetheart.
Yeah. All right, back to work you go, my dear.